Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to fill in the various benefit details of an employee within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can simply click on the complete profile option for the particular employee for whom the benefit details need to be updated. In the various sections that need to be filled, the benefits section is clicked and the same is displayed. Here, if the accidental cover protection and medical cover protection is clicked to yes, the corresponding fields are displayed. The user can fill in the details about the particular medical coverage or accidental protection coverage. Once all the details are filled, the user can simply click on the Save and Next option, and the benefit details of the particular employee is filled in successfully, and the profile completion score is also updated for the same. Thank you for watching.